In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Fotor. Upload, adjust, and use advanced edits. First, open your browser and head to Fotor.com. Sign into your account so you can access the full editor. Once you're in, look for the AI photo section on the homepage. Click See All to expand your options, then choose Edit a Photo. This takes you straight into Fotor's editor where you'll make your core adjustments. On the upload screen, you'll see a prompt inviting you to upload a photo. You can either click to browse your computer or simply drag your image from a file window into the editor. If drag and drop doesn't respond, just use the upload button. For the best results, start with a clear, high-resolution image. After your photo loads, head to the Adjust panel. This is where you'll fine-tune the basics. Begin with crop to trim unwanted edges and strengthen your composition. Use the grid to align horizons or center your subject, and don't be afraid to remove distractions at the edges. If your photo needs straightening, crop and rotate work nicely together. Next, use rotate and flip to correct orientation or create a mirrored look. Rotating can fix tilted shots, while flipping can change how your subject leads the eye across the frame. Small tweaks here often make a big difference. Now move to resize. This is useful when you need a specific image dimension for web or print. Keep the aspect ratio locked if you want to avoid stretching, and reduce dimensions rather than enlarging to preserve clarity. Brightness is your main control for overall light. Increase it to lift a dark image, or pull it back if things look washed out. Aim for a balanced look where details remain visible in both shadows and highlights. Make gradual adjustments and trust how the image feels, not just the numbers. If you want finer control, explore the Advanced Edits section. You'll find deeper adjustments that target color, contrast, detail, and tone more precisely. Move sliders slowly and watch how each change affects the overall mood. Subtle, incremental edits usually produce the cleanest results. That's the full flow. Go to Fotor.com, log in, open AI Photo, and click See All. Choose Edit a Photo, upload or drag in your image, then use Adjust to crop, rotate or flip, resize, and refine brightness, with advanced edits available when you need more precision. Take your time, experiment gently, and let your photo guide your choices.